If you are looking for a channel to learn Arabic language in simple way, then you are in the right place. غالبا أنك قد قرأت عنوان الفيديو وفهمت أن موضوعنا اليوم عن الفعل المضارع في اللغة العربية. But before that, I want to make sure that you have watched the first video of the previous series, Past Tense in Arabic. The present tense in Arabic is very simple, but you must learn the past tense before you start. Why? Because the present tense is the past tense, but with minor change at the beginning of the verb and the vowels. Let's talk about our journey today. First, I will introduce you to a new wazn of the present tense in the Arabic language. يفعل يفعل. Then we will learn some verbs and their meanings. We will use the verbs in a useful sentence. And finally, we will test what we have learned with some nice questions. ولكن قبل ذلك، ما رأيك أن تحضر مشروبك المفضل وأن تجلس بطريقة مريحة حتى نبدأ درسنا بكل حماس؟ هيا سأنتظرك. The wazn you will learn today is يفعل يفعل. I say that the present tense is the past tense, but with minor changes at the beginning of the verb and the vowels. Do you remember the first wazn that we learned in the past tense series? فعل فعل. We will convert them to يفعل or يفعل. يفعل يفعل. The past tense فعل. Present tense يفعل, like نجح ينجح, means he succeed. ينجح. سمع يسمع. كتب يكتب. درس يدرس. and شرب يشرب. يسمع, he hears. يسمع. يفعل يصنع. يصنع, he creates or he make. يفعل يكتب. يفعل يكتب, he writes or he is writing. يفعل يدرس. يفعل يدرس, he studies or he is studying. يفعل يشرب. يشرب, he drinks or he is drinking. And what about if we use يشرب in the feminine form? It became تشرب. تا. تشرب. تفعل تشرب, she drinks or she is drinking. In the past tense, for male it was فعل. For female, فعلت. شربت. شرب for male, شربت for female. And in the present tense, it converted to يفعل for male, تفعل for female. As an example, يشرب تشرب. يشرب for male, تشرب for female. Now, what about using these verbs in a useful sentence? Sentence order in Arabic language begin with the verb, then the subject, and finally the object or the rest of the sentence. And as we know, in Arabic language, we start reading and writing from right to left. So, فعل, verb, الفاعل, subject, and المفعول به, object. For female, تصنع حنين محتوى لليوتيوب. تصنع حنين محتوى لليوتيوب. حنين creates a content for YouTube. For male يصنع علي محتوى لليوتيوب. يصنع for male يصنع. For female تكتب حنين رسالة لصديقتها. تكتب حنين رسالة لصديقتها. حنين is writing a message to her friend. For male يكتب علي رسالة لصديقه. يكتب علي رسالة لصديقه. الآن لنختبر ما تعلمناه ببعض الأسئلة البسيطة. Now, let's test what we have learned with some nice questions. Choose the option that you see fit. Any of the verbs has the wazn of تفعل. ترسم، أرسم، رسم. ترسم، أرسم، رسم. صحيح. ترسم. Any of these verbs means a male who is drinking water. اشرب، يشرب، شرب. Right. يشرب، يشرب. Any of these verbs has the wazn of يفعل. يفعل. كتب، اكتب، يكتب. Right, it's يكتب. يكتب. كتب, it's in the past tense form. اكتب, it's the imperative form. Any of these verbs means a female who is studying. يدرس، درس، تدرس. يدرس، درس، تدرس. تدرس. يدرس is present tense for male. درس, it's past tense for male. And تدرس, it's a present tense for female. شكرا لك أنك أكملت معي لهذه اللحظة. سأكون ممتنة في كل مرة تعرفت بها على الفعل عند سماعك للكلمات. شكرا لمتابعتك وأتمنى أن تكون قد استمتعت. If this video helped you, I would ask you to go down and click like and subscribe to pass this video into someone else in this world. Thank you very much. Bye bye.